Hi, welcome to my Nerf Club again. Today I'm going to show you the Nerf Elite 2.0 Volt SD1, the Nerf Elite 2.0 Commander RD6, and the Nerf Elite 2.0 Quadfire QS4, Nerf Dinosquad Raptorslash, and the Nerf Elite 2.0 Double Punch. Like the video. Give it a lot of likes. So I'm going to do a Dinosquad blaster first. Because I have the Raptorslash. See, this dinosaur is a raptor because it's kind of like a strong blaster. Look, it's a raptor. See, it looks cool. I like the red and the blue, right? You like it too? Next, the Elite 2.0 Commander RD6. See, that's the Nerf Elite 2.0 Commander RD6. Next, Volt SD1. See, that's the Nerf Elite 2.0 Volt SD1. Quadfire QS4. See? Ooh, double shot. So cool. Next, last double punch. See, that's the Nerf Elite 2.0 double punch. We got 4 of them. See you next video. Peace, guys.